today we're gonna unbox this Barbie car.
Funbill Sparkle Girls ba yan?
Look. And guys, this is the wheels. It's color black and blue. This is the chair. It's purple and pink. The seat belt is blue. And the steering wheel is pink. Mommy, please help me cut this. Right. We're just gonna cut it off. So, this is stickers. This is tornadoes. And because today is here in the mall shopping the toys, and this is another toy I bought. So, this one, you guys. And that's the most. Okay, wait. Bye bye first.